Hi guys, I'm Ashraf Javed Malik here. Our current topic is what is an ecological niche? An ecological niche is the role and position a species has in its environment, how it meets its needs for food and shelter, how it survives, and how it reproduces. A species niche includes all of its interactions with the biotic and abiotic factors of its environment. Biotic factors are living things, while abiotic factors are non living things. It is advantageous for a species to occupy a unique niche in an ecosystem because it reduces the amount of competition for resources that species will encounter. Individual ecological niches. Every living thing on earth has a role to play in its environment. In fact, you are feeling a niche right now as you read this lesson. Whether you are a student, have a full-time job, or are a mother or father, these are parts of the niche you fill. Your niche also includes where and how you obtain food and all of the things you do in order to survive. If you closely look at a typical habitat in the environment, you will see many organisms living and working together, fulfilling their ecological niches. Guys, in other definition, I can explain about the niche. What is the niche or a ecological niche? In ecology, a niche is the match of species to a specific environmental condition. It describes how an organism or population responds to the distribution of resources and competitors for example, by growing when resources are abundant and when predators, parasites, and pathogens are scarce, and how it in turn alters those same factors. For example, limiting access to resources by other organisms, acting as a food source for predators and consumer of type prey. The type and number of variables comprising the dimensions of an environmental niche vary from one species to another, and the relative importance of particular environmental variables for a species may vary according to the geographic and biotic contexts. A Greenilian niche is determined by the habitat in which a species lives and its accompanying behavioral adaptations. An Eltonian niche emphasizes that a species not only grows in and responds to an environmental, it may also change the environment and its behavior as it grows. The Hutchinsonian niche uses mathematics and statistics to try to explain how species coexist within a given community. Thank you.